What if I told you that one of America's most famous landmarks wasn't actually made in America? The Statue of Liberty, standing proudly in New York Harbor today, was a gift from France to the United States. The idea was first suggested in the 1860s to celebrate freedom, democracy, and the strong friendship between the two nations. A talented French sculptor named Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi was chosen to design the statue. But creating a structure that massive wasn't easy. To make sure it could withstand strong winds and weather, the internal framework was engineered by Gustave Eiffel, the same genius who would later build the Eiffel Tower. Construction began in France and took many years to complete. Workers carefully crafted the statue from copper sheets, shaping every detail by hand. Once finished, the giant monument was taken apart into hundreds of pieces and packed into more than 200 crates for a long voyage across the Atlantic Ocean. When the shipment arrived in New York in 1885, another challenge began. Workers spent months reassembling the enormous statue on a specially built pedestal located on Liberty Island. Then, on October 28, 1886, thousands of people gathered to witness its grand unveiling. The Statue of Liberty officially became one of the newest landmarks in the United States. Lady Liberty holds a torch high above her head, symbolizing enlightenment and freedom. In her other hand, she carries a tablet engraved with the date July 4, 1776, marking the signing of the American Declaration of Independence. At her feet lie broken chains, representing liberation from oppression and tyranny. For millions of immigrants arriving in America by ship during the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the Statue of Liberty was often the first thing they saw. To them, it wasn't just a statue. It was a sign of hope, opportunity, and a chance to start a new life. Today, more than a century later, the Statue of Liberty remains one of the most recognizable monuments in the world, welcoming visitors from every corner of the globe and reminding us that the ideals of freedom and hope can inspire generations.